Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In today's video I will show you how to integrate email password authentication inside your NextJS application. So yeah, let's see how to do this. So firstly you will have to go to your Firebase, create a Firebase project. Next you will have to go to project overview, just click on this plus button, select web, and here you can give some any name, like I don't know, click register. And here once the app is registered, it will give you some initialization code. So here you can just run this command for your NextJS app inside your terminal. Also you can copy paste this code and you can create a file called firebase.ts and you can just paste this code over here. Okay, we'll come back to this part in a bit. Once this is done, you can just click on continue to console. Then you will have to go to build authentication, and here you might at the very start you might see something like this. You just have to click on email/password. Once you click on that, you might see something like this, and here you will have to enable this email/password option. Don't worry about this. Once you do that, so firstly I'll show you the output. So here you can see I'll go to the users tab now, and I'll just add some email ID. I don't know, ttt@gmail.com. okay, and xyz123, sign up. And if I click on console, I have written some debug statement. Here you can see that email was entered. So forget, like, this was just part of my debugging, don't worry about this. And if I just refresh this, here you can see that email was added. Now same for login as well. If I just refresh, if I just click on sign out, okay, I have signed out. If I just click on login, here you can see the and it is printing 2 times because I am running in a strict mode of React. That's why it is printing out twice. Don't worry about this. In your case, once you run in production, it will only print only once. Okay, and if I suppose now if I am signed up or login and I haven't clicked on the sign out button, if I do a complete refresh, here you can see you get the email ID. So state management is already done by Firebase itself. You don't have to worry about saving anything. So you can add a check that okay, if the email is already present or if the user is already present, redirect to some other screen. Okay, so yeah, let's see how to do this. So once you have installed Firebase, so here you can see I have installed Firebase. Next, I have created this file and I have also imported this. Okay, we don't need this. I have also imported this get auth from Firebase auth, and here I have initialized our auth. So I'm just exporting our auth. Okay, next, inside app page.tsx, I have marked it as use client, created 2 states for email and password. I have added all these imports as well. And inside use effect, as you can see, I'm printing out the user email. That's why it was printing twice, because of React strict mode. So here you can write logic that okay, whenever this user state changes, redirect to the some other screen. And even when you do sign up, this automatically gets called. Okay, so there were 2 console logs, one from this and one from this. Okay, so for sign up, as you can see, it is just create a user with email and password, pass your auth, email and password as well, and from user credential you can get the user email. There are some other properties as well for user which you can do R&D for. You can't get the user password that's for sure. And here you have this method called sign in with email and password, and here you can see auth, email, password, and again I'm printing the user's email. And for logout, you can just call auth, sign out and pass your auth. And here I have just taken an input type of email, input type of password, and 3 buttons: sign up, login and sign out. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.